Alright, so I found out the ways to put it on diagnostic mode on my friend's Amana dishwasher right here, which is no use right now. 100% not used right now. Model number is ADB 1400 AGW. There's a disgusting fly in here, of course. Well, I thought it might be ants at this moment, but maybe those are coming from the window. So here's the inside of a disgusting dishwasher. Completely a bit molded. If you comment down below, this dishwasher needs clean. Yes, I know, because it is supposed to be cleaner. So if you have this model, you have to. It's just like the Whirlpool Duet design. You have to press this 3 times. So yes, select cycle, high temperature, and heated dry for 3 times before it should enter. Alright, now all of the LED will light up to be sure that the dishwasher will enter the test mode. Maybe make sure you press start, or it should move on automatically, and maybe it should display error codes for your own history if you got a problem earlier, of course. So, don't want to forget to let you all know, shout out to this guy. I'll put the text here or in the description. Alright, moving on to filling the dishwasher. The reason the dishwasher isn't used, maybe there's a pile of dishes up here. Maybe there's not much members around here. It's just like when my grandmother's not using the Ultra Wash 3 dishwasher. So once it is reaching up to its level, then it should start spraying some water to recirculate. Yeah, there's the cat right here. My friend's cat over there. So yeah, you will see the LED will switch like normal right here, and high temp will light up over there. Heavy 1 hour will light up here. The dishwasher is still filling up before it should stop. And there goes the valve. The light flickers at this moment. Or actually, yeah. Normal, high temp, and clean indicator will light up while it's going. And it stops. Continues the spray. So don't just let the dishwasher sit here for all of a test. So you might want to go ahead and keep pressing the start button to let it move on. Stops. Maybe it's like pause. And maybe it's just bottom spray. Well, we can't even see what's inside the dishwasher while it's running, because it has a white model. Yeah, you can't even see it clearly. So some future people, or some people like in the future, hopefully will see what is inside the dishwasher without the covers. Well, it won't 100% work. And should move on to drain. Maybe those two, maybe stops dishwasher. Drain, and those indicator will switch. And as far as you hear, the drain is gurgling from the water. And maybe when it drains after pressing start for the last time, it should shut off. So yeah, this is gonna be one of your first use dishwasher after installing it. And maybe the dishwasher realized disconnects after. And now, for the last time. And I believe you are done with the test mode. Sorry about the humming noise. I'm thinking about what's after. I think it was coming from the fridge or something. Alright, anyways. So yeah, after you've pressed it for the last time, and then when the LED goes out, then you're finished the test mode. And you're all set for your first use on your dishwasher for the first time. Yeah, it still smells disgusting, yes. 100% still. So that's the video of the Amana Dishwasher doing the diagnostic mode. So, hope you liked it. If you have a different model, go ahead and watch elsewhere. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.